Today, we're on the east side of West Pymble, in the Gordon West Public School catchment at 49 Kiparra Street. I love the appearance of these weatherboard cottages. This one at 49 Kiparra Street with 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 1,050 square metres of level north to rear land. Upon entering, you're immediately greeted with this beautiful living area, also connected to the dining area with gas heating. Stepping straight through into what could be your informal dining area, straight off your modern, renovated kitchen. The thing I love most about this, of course, gas cooking and this north-facing window. From the inside, you almost can't tell that this house was originally built in the 1950s with all the renovated mod cons, including new cornicing, ducted air conditioning, and the thing that you'll notice is most rooms in the house have that beautiful northern light coming through. This 4-bedroom family starter has heaps of accommodation, this being the master, with dual built-ins and plenty of windows to let in tons of natural light. Now this is the absolute icing on the cake at 49 Kiparra Street. Firstly, you have the majority of your 1,050 square metres of north to rear land out the back here. You also have what could be a granny flat, subject to council approval, or self-contained accommodation, or even work from home quarters. I also love the fact that they have this barbecue area hooked on to mains gas. Couple of weeks and I think they'll be ready. Whether it's this beautiful house, this stunning block opportunity, or the location at 49 Kiparra Street, I'm sure just like me, you'll find something that you love about this house. I can't wait to meet you here.